You are going to love the 2016 Sorento. The Kia Sorento is a comfortable riding, powerful compact SUV loaded with impressive standard features. Take one look at its stylish, sleek design and you'll want to cross over to a Sorento, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, power passenger seat, power liftgate, anti-lock braking system, navigation system, backup camera, all-wheel drive. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.